welcome back to the channel. Today I have another book review for you. It's another cut and collage book. This is another one of mine. So this is Cut and Collage World of Birds, and this is the first in the series of my World of Animals. So I'm going to be having a long series of just books that have specific animals in them. So this one has birds. I'm currently working on a cat one, so we'll see when that comes out. So this is the first image, nice and big. You know, the perfect for the front of like journal covers or stuff like that. Also has the instructions and where to find me. I always put a little image here that you can cut out as well. So gorgeous birds. And they're all different. I got a big list of different types of birds, and I tried to add as many bird types as I could get into this book. So, gorgeous bald eagle there. And I can't tell you what most of these are. Love the snow owl. And the red cardinal, I think it is. But some of these birds are really gorgeous. Pink flamingo, swan. I thought this was really gorgeous. It's very oriental to me. These yellow birds. This reminds me of a little chick. It's not a chicken, but it does remind me of a chick. But I do have some chickens in here. And I wanted to include birds that maybe not everybody would even like or think of, like a vulture. I mean, they are very important in our environment, so I wanted to make sure that I added, you know, all types of birds, not just cute ones. This yellow one's really pretty. This is a toucan, I think is what those are called. This is some sort of crane. It's very beautiful, very oriental to me as well. Love ravens. That one's really gorgeous. This is a roadrunner. He's very pretty. Other birds. This is a hawk. Barn owl. Very pretty. Another eagle. I have two of each bird type in here, so if you see a repeat, that's why. Not the same image, but the same bird. So I put two of every bird in the book. Two images of every bird. Another hawk. Another gorgeous snow owl. Another roadrunner. Another vulture. This one's very pretty too. It looks like a parrot. I don't think it is a parrot, but it does look like one. A turkey. Gorgeous duck. I think this is called a puffin. It's one of those penguin things. Another parrot. A pigeon. Very pretty. Another owl. Hummingbird. I think they're so pretty. Their coloring is just very pretty. I didn't realize how many different types of hawks there were until I started studying for this book. Several different kinds. There's a peacock. And a goose. Another owl. This is another type of crane, I think, but it's very pretty. An ostrich. Another pink flamingo. penguins. I thought this little baby was so cute. I had to make him a larger image because he was so cute. Another peacock. This is another type of hawk. It's very pretty. A horned owl. I think this is a finch. I'm not real great with birds. Another ostrich. Another one of these guys. I can't remember what they're called, but they have their really big beaks. Another chicken. Another goose and a parrot. There's 2 parrots here. And that's it. So I didn't even read that in the beginning, did I? It has over 240 full color images. So this is by my pen name, Ruth Harding. The link will be in the description below if you're interested. And I will see you next time. Bye!